Did you know that the right domain name can actually improve your brand recognition? Today we'll see how to use artificial intelligence to find a perfect domain name. Start, for example, with trends. So you know what your product is, your service is, but you don't know what would be a good domain name. Maybe start by checking what is trending in your area. For example, if you target a country such as United States, you might want here to um, switch to United States on trends Google. And for example, we are interested in dogs, rubber ducks or rubber duck toys. So let's check. We know we have a very small idea about what our website is about, what our product is about, what the service we will sell. So start by checking if there is any interest. Let's have a look, for example, at the past 12 months in the United States, or we can even choose worldwide and for all categories. And now have a look. So actually for this region in the United States, there is a topic that is called rubber duck, which is similar to our topic. So maybe in our case, we were too actually narrow in our research. So let's broaden it to a similar topic. And here we see that for a rubber duck uh, toy generally, there is a lot of interest over time, and it's pretty flat, meaning there is no big seasonality. It's the same interest in January, in August, during winter, during summer, so all the time. And there is interest all over the world. Actually, surprisingly, the biggest search interest for rubber ducks is in Finland. And here we have more details. So it might be because there are some other topics totally unrelated to our product or service, but related to this keyword that might pop up. For example, here about a video game, about fictional character, about a TV series, about television series. So this is not, in our case, what we're interested about. And we can see that there is a lot of different related keywords. In our case, we want to focus on the dog's toy. And we can see here that there is not much for us. So what we can do is take our keywords, such as rubber duck, and go to Dynadot, and here navigate to the AI search. So let's here click on domains, go on the suggestion tool, and we want actually an AI search. We want artificial intelligence to help us find the perfect domain name. So rubber duck uh, dog toy, and let's have a look with magic of artificial intelligence. What are the possible domain names related? And here, simply, we have a lot of domain names that are being offered to us, such as Ducky Pop Toy. Why not? In our case, maybe we'll want a very short domain name that better represents our brand. We don't want it to be too long. And here we have a lot of offers. We can filter. So let's say that we only want a .com. We want short domain names, 5 to 10 characters. Less than 5 will be too short, more than 10 might be too long. And have a look for only .com. So we apply filters. It is now searching again. And here we have suggestions. Apply filters again, and every time we press this button, actually, we should be getting new suggestions. DuckyDogPlay.com, for example, is perfect. So once we have actually used successfully the artificial intelligence to find the perfect domain name for our product, our service, whatever for which we need a website. All we have to do is to add it to our cart. The pricing is transparent, so to buy it, the default price is for 1 year. And here we are using Dinadot. The link is in the description, affiliate link. So if you click, I will get a commission. And I am using them myself for my 30 plus websites. They are very reliable, which is why I know very well how their products and service works. So here you have a .com at $11.99 for 1 year, and the renewal is at $11.99 per year. Actually, you can directly buy it for a longer period of time. Just add it to the cart and go to your cart. Of course, you will be asked to check out eventually, create an account later, and you can actually directly buy it for more years if you want to. So it's very simple, very efficient to search for a domain name. Use artificial intelligence to get suggestions, especially to get suggestions of domain names that might make sense based on your keywords, on your topic, on your ID, even if you don't have a specific domain name in mind yet. So good luck looking for your domain name. Let us know in comments what did you find and how this tool helped you find the perfect domain name.